there for the kind and for say you're her husband when you're not playing the game. When you're not playing the game, as much as how she have her dirty ways, she deserve more based on what she do for you. She deserve more. You know what I don't like with you? Yo, where mother there? You watch and see everybody tear hard. You watch and make sure tear down everybody. Like a them are the enemy and a them are the snake. When they know say you are the snake in a sheep clothing round her. And you watch you bring down everybody down to your brother. That's time I say you see money. You don't do anything for money. And I tell the people your own story you don't even know. You don't do anything for money. You're willing to sacrifice even your relationship with figure it out where you see your brother for years just for money. Just for the money. Just for the money. Me not want nobody. Me not have no dog in a fight as mother is that say. Me not have no horse in the race. Me not have no horse in the race. Them have a horse over Switzerland a race for them over a track. Me not have no horse in a race. I don't have any horse in the race. I have no horse in the race. Let me go is patois and English. I have none in the race. I remember say on a record, me record Rosealee. Him she send the voice note and the voice note end up go out. Remember so when Rosealee call your phone 20 times, you screenshot it and send go give somebody and adapt me here the first time and it bother my spirit. And me call Toto in a September and say Toto. And me see how Toto catch on like me did say something bad about Toto. Me see how Toto make film people hype up and rail up and black spice and this and that. Me never say nothing bad about Toto. Me call Toto in a September and I say to Toto, say Toto, you are closer to Rosealee than I am. You know, they not tap the screen, I mean, I like that. I said, Toto, you are more closer to Rosealee than I am. What I'm asking you to do, please. Mother, me not see you. Send a request to mother, please. Okay. Come up, my legend. I said, Toto, I call Toto in a September. I said, Toto, I'm asking you, please. You're closer to Rosealee than me. The boy have recording with Rosealee, I beg him sex. I said, I'm asking you, Toto, to have the conversation with her. All people ever do to Rosealee, I put Rosealee on her guard. And you paint us like we are the enemy. We are not your enemy. Your enemy lay down beside you. Your enemy lay down beside you when the camera is on. Akeem, I don't want to do it tonight. Hey.
Look at
Go on, mother.
Spicy, I'm gonna tell you the truth and honest with you. Rosealee is an evil girl herself. Rosealee is an evil girl. Toto them don't like Rosealee either. Since you don't want to talk it and you don't want to say it, but I say it for you. The same way you say Akeem don't like Rosealee, none of them don't like Rosealee. Not one. Not one of them don't like Rosealee. I'm not gonna say this over and over. All of them are users.
Everyone.
Users. Them use, and for me like you, madam left Rosealee make she hang by her tongue. I say, I'm gonna mean this in a no good way or no bad way. Anyway, people want to put it, then put it. But I leave her, make she drop, but them hang her by her tongue. But them make her tongue pull along with her.
Mother, they are save her. Me not there to save her, mother. Understand?
No, but you sound like you save her, like you put it on one. Remember saying, remember, everybody knows that it was a series from the jump. And you see the enablers them, the top girl, sure, I can't call her name. Toto, me not gonna touch Munchie so much. Amaya, my niece, Jules, all of them were Rosealee that rep fair, them even more than even Akeem. If we put it that way, then I could put it that way, because I could have reason and talk the truth. Them even more than she, because guess what? Remember in us fight, when you're there in one situation now, people on the outside are gonna see more than what even you on the inside I see. We're in the situation. Because remember, when you're in the situation, we don't know what we not tell each other. We don't know. Because sometimes people go to them damage control, if something happen, blah blah, whatever. But them even more than that, and then if me come and me say something, them start telling me like me hate, I'm gonna this when me actually attack the truth what me say. So the one of them not good.
Mother, but what is crazy is that these people are willing to go for everybody apart from the snake. When them willing to go for everybody but Akeem. If Rosealee say, hey, no, no, them know, say them not for open them mouth. Them have to ask twice. But if a me, if a Dyema, if a J, whomever it is, them ready for name up people. I saw on the stay. Nobody can talk. That one alone have opinion on situation. Nobody can share them opinion. Akeem 8 Rose. And that's why me could come out, mother. Mother, what kind of person I would be for say me like Rose, genuine mother. I know say somebody literally, mother, are using her play on her emotion. And mother, we have to also understand too, you know. Rosealee thing did not start as a series, you know. I was on Rosealee live the night. The guy come there and them start flirt. It never started as a series. That was not discussed. When Jay go for Dyema, it was discussed that them are gonna start one series something. But Akeem and Rosealee thing was not. It just genuinely happened on the screen. But me know.
But it wasn't a thing for real. From the jump, it wasn't a thing from the jump. And I remember saying them just happened to come cross each other's path, right? But Spicy, you have to hold Rosealee accountable for real. Because all of the nasty things that when she talk, especially even about her baby father, where she did David for 12 years and everything, and you can get her the grace if you want to get her the grace, but as she really sit and cause it for herself, you know. I remember say when one breadfruit drop off of the tree, it might stay on the ground and ripe. But kind of no want a breadfruit to drop on the ground. And if a breadfruit drop on the ground, it batter. So as she still gonna cause everything, because guess what? She been know whatever. She been know. And then she had class people now. And then she sit and hear the people in my class who not forget the class thing. And she don't do nothing about it.
That's the part. That's the
She
part.
don't do nothing about it.
That's
Me
the
don't
part.
like
That's
it.
weird.
Why me not supposed to like Rose and I feel like Rose. Remember Rose tell me say she not like me from the jump. So at the end of the day, fuck you, I say what me not like Rose. That have nothing to do with me. She sit down and make everybody get class in. But just
Well, I never get a minute, let me say.
yeah.
Because me go clear up all of this. I'm in a business who want block me after this. Spice, me have a couple questions for you.
Mm-hmm.
Who you tell me say send her the voice note to Rosealee attack?
And them dirt, so what they want to go down, you know?
You know me, I go down in it now. Me I listen over Shay live. I mean, I've not against Shay now.
Right.
Me I listen over Shay live and the part of Shay I say. Munchie say what she hear. Everything what everybody thinks her Rose not know, me tell Rose.
I
So
know you
Rosealee
did.
know everything. Come in a hold my mouth. Can no girl can't in a chattings with me. Spice, now Dyema, you tell me, say, tell her every blood clot thing where Akeem is concerned. The voice note where them send you. Now you tell me, say, a blood clot, Dyema send you everything. So,
But
no, we are
Munchie,
going to blame it like, say, Akeem a talk and a one bag of things, or Rose not have no friend, and the things them. Because me not like nobody can put no hypocrite on my blood clot name.
hold on the
Come
Munchie,
here, never hypocrite to no girl.
Spice. But even
Everything
if
when me talk, Rosealee know. Everything. She hear
but
body ear just a shop as she first me call. So me want ask you now, why not talk about or Rose not have no friend or what hypocrite to blood clot
right,
Rose.
all right, Munchie,
Now Dyema me hear say send out everything and a Dyema in cahoots and all of the chattings and the this and the that. Me
but
no want a girl, they put on a boy or whatever them identify as, they put my name in an lippings and that me say.
all right,
Blood
but
clot, Spice, Dyema, everybody. Cause me
all
I
right.
never no pussy to no girl. So me no
But hold
nobody
on
tell
there.
no lie for me.
But Munchie, even if a diamond tells Spice, Rose must be telling it to somebody. Yeah, that
Madam,
part there,
and that
yeah.
me I talk about. Me I go based on what is being said and how
Okay, yeah.
it's being taken. Like say
Okay.
everybody sit down and talk and everybody are couch against Rose and we have group talk, group conversations attack and the things them. So me
But the
want to
message
know.
been that, wrote me into
Akeem
the
send the
message.
voice note to me talk no cause they up here for hours are going in circles and a bag of chattings, you know. I mean in a circle goings, we don't know. Dyema, according to the story, Dyema tell you say Rosealee the beg Akeem fuck. Rosealee go back to Akeem with the argument and say Akeem, oh you for say
And a
me I
Dyema
beg
alone
you
hear
fuck
about
when
the
I know say
argument,
that
Munchie.
me they talk. You notice I'm not go up on Rose platform a years me come on.
All right, baby, talk.
Me talk. You tell me,
Admin at the
say.
back. Admin at the
Well,
blood
you
clot
tell
back.
me, say,
And me blood
Spice.
clot send spicy that. And me send spicy that.
Okay.
Because when me tell back Rose the argument, and the voice note come to me say spicy, listen ya. Look how Rose will come back with him. Why your blood clot say munchi talk
No,
man?
because I feel
Let me
because
talk. Make me
Spice to
talk.
highlight.
Spice say,
Yeah, me
you,
not
Munchie.
highlight that,
Dyema,
man.
give him every
One on man.
information when
Munchi
about
talk.
Rose. That is the conversation. And I know people of my name are dragging out the fuckery. What
Well,
kind of mix
Munchi
up
wish
there?
Spice wish I like that when Munchi talk about
well,
them.
on
Answer
You
that to me
Munchie,
there.
Spice, tell me,
Munchie,
say, Dyema, tell her
Munchie, Munchie,
everything.
well, on because you know,
Answer
so
that to me there.
Munchie, people that is not in the circle will say whatever. So we are gonna
No.
understand why.
Me not make no girl have me
Spice,
name on the
answer that
internet
man.
for drag.
All right,
Answer
so
me
well,
one
on the
Spice
Dyema.
that you're
So
telling
Munchie, which
everything.
part I want clarification on?
Okay.
Yeah, answer me one that
Dyema,
answer.
tell her everything where Akeem is concerned, where Rose is concerned. Isn't that what you told me and Toto?
And everything I know Dyema tell me. But the conversation there, things. Alright, so this is a well on the Munchie coming on. This is how it go, mother. So there are
Yeah.
conversation, like say, the whole we care. If we keep there, so we care about Rose, we in a one circle. And yeah, try to say something to Rose, and people are trying to make Rose get it in our skull.